Greetings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use pictures, change pictures, adjust pictures, and add different features to pictures in a PowerPoint presentation. For this particular video, I have an existing PowerPoint. As you can see, the slide that I'm using has a title box and a picture box. If I want to duplicate this exact slide in this exact style, you'll notice that all four of these slides are the same. I can just click on any slide, right click, come up to duplicate slide, and it'll duplicate that exact same slide, which means it's going to have the same format. It's going to have the same text box. It's going to have the same image box in the same location. This is useful when you have a slide formatted exactly the way you want it. You're not going to make any major changes to it. So I've duplicated this slide, but I don't want to have a picture of the husky. I've already got another slide of husky. I can click on the picture, click change picture, choose a picture that I want to replace the existing one with, click insert. It's going to drop that picture in the same basic place. I can click on any one of the four corners, just hover over that corner and left click, hold it, and drag it to resize it the way you want to size it. You can click in the picture, hold that left button down, move the picture wherever you want to move it, or you can come up to the drawing box at the top of the PowerPoint, click on Arrange, come down to Position Objects and Align. You can align the picture to the left. You can align it in the center, or of course you can align it to the right, or you can align it evenly you can align it at the top. You can align it in the middle from top to bottom, or you can align it at the bottom. Another thing that you can do is you can add borders and outlines and effects to it. We're not going to use shape fill here. That just fills a solid shape with a particular color. What we're going to do is in this particular case, we're going to click on Shape Outline. You come down and hover over each color, and you'll see the image. It gives you a preview of what that would look like with a border for that particular color. So there I have a medium gray border around that existing picture. I can go and click on that picture again, come down to Shape Effects, and then I can add things like a bevel. And once again, as you hover over each option, it shows you what that picture is going to look like with that particular bevel. You can add soft edges, kind of gives it a gentle fade to it, but that takes your border away. You can add glow. It's going to keep that border, and it's going to add a glow in various colors. You can even come down to more colors and pick something that you like. Your border is going to stay the same, but it's going to put a glowing edge around it as well. Another thing you can do is click on Reflection, and it will actually create a mirror reflected image. And then you can go to Shadow. It's kind of like glow, but it just kind of gives it a little offset look to it. And then once you're ready to go, let's say you want to add a new slide. You want to have multiple. You have an option to have a title bar, 2 pictures, but in this particular case, I'm going to put several pictures on one. So I'm going to choose blank slide. Then I'm going to go up to the top. I'm going to click Insert, click on Picture. I'm going to select the first picture. I'm just going to put it there. I'm going to move them off to the side just a little bit. I want to insert another picture. Click on picture again. It's going to drop the bulldog in place. I'm going to click on any blank area on the slide again. Come back to insert. Click the picture I want to add. Now you'll notice they are going to drop onto the slide exactly the same size as they are wherever you have them stored. So you can move them into the basic position you want, and then click on any one of those four corners, resize them so that you can get them all to fit, and then drag them into place. And you can once again, if you say, well, I don't want that poodle there, click on it, then right click, change picture, select the picture you want to replace it with. It'll drop the new picture right in place.